right, let's bring them in. Guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm gonna be filming an empty house tour. I cannot wait to show you guys. I absolutely love the house. I'm so excited to finally be moving. I mean, it was quick, but it feels like it's been a while. I really like the outside colors of the house. The gray up there. All right, let's bring them in.
This is the thing what we had.
Oh yeah, the ring.
Well, let's start with that.
Okay.
And here.
It's a little hall closet.
That stripping thing, so we can like sweep stuff if there's little crumbs on the floor.
It's gonna be the boys' hallway, right?
And this is a closet.
We got a little linen closet. We put those in there.
This is going to be the boys' room.
This bedroom is probably gonna be Eli and Emmett's bedroom. So we got closet, it's pretty long. We got just room.
And Bear has that block on his room.
Oh, Easton, yeah.
This block, yet again.
So when we came here to look at the house, they had some shelves and stuff. They also did this really cool wall. I love this black accent wall that they actually did this. I'll probably hang Easton's name sign up there. His little bed will go here. And then we've got these shelves. I told them they could just leave any shelves. So they left.
I just like it, because he can maybe like put little toys up there.
And then this is their bathroom. I love the gray cabinets that are in all the bathrooms. And I also love the mirror style. And this is something, did you see this, Ellery? It's like a green shiplap wall with little hooks. Yeah, with little hooks for their towels.
Oh yeah.
I love the things they picked out as well, the towel holders as well as the lights. They're all really cute. And then coming out into the main area, we did buy this couch as well as that table from them.
I sat on it, it's so comfy.
Yeah, because I've always wanted a couch like this. That was just like a wipeable cloth that is comfy. Yeah, either books or like, I've seen people put shoes in these. And they did not have this couch very long because they lived here like not even a year. So the house is like right around a year old. Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's so comfy.
It's a nice big sectional. I already knew how it looked in here. So I was like, let's just see if they'll sell it to us. They also left this, which is a little, I believe this is from IKEA. I think I've seen, or I'm not sure. I've seen people have this little shelf and she said it kind of fits in this little awkwardish area. Big gray sectional, which I love. I love the fireplace, the shiplap. It's a thing already there to hang the TV. This is where the master is. I'll go ahead and show you guys the master. They have barn doors. I love this so much. They have barn doors for the closet and then the bathroom. I love the black barn doors.
A big closet.
I know, in the closet.
Big shelf.
Oh, what's going on? Okay, I don't even know where the lights are yet in here. So we got plenty of space up in this closet. Two nice windows. There's like a little window up there for some reason. Shower. I love this in the bathroom as well. We've got more gray shiplap, the gray counters. This house is, I mean, it quite literally feels brand new because like I said, they barely lived here. Toilet. I love the floor color in here as well too. It's a dark wood. This is kitchen, dining area. I loved this table. She had it set up as like a coffee bar and I love it so much. That is probably what I'm gonna do as well. I love it. It's the kitchen. I love the light gray color again. And then going in through here, we have the laundry as well as this cute little.
School, we can put like the backpacks and maybe like some jackets.
I love this little area. I feel like it's looking darker on camera. It's kind of more like a light wood.
I think we should put like over there with that bandage. We can put shoes. Then like we can take our shoes and bring them in here and sit down.
I also love that you can close this door since it is off the kitchen in case you have like a laundry mess. Then you can kind of close that and hide all of that. So it's off the kitchen. And I did get bar stools for this kitchen this time. I've never had bar stools because the kids were always just kind of too small. We got pantry, which is actually much bigger than the pantry that we even have now. It's out. The light in the pantry is out. Okay, so the light in the pantry needs to be changed, but this is the pantry. Backyard. This was a like big thing that I wanted to find in a house, a nice little flat yard. And I love that we have.
I love because like in our older, like in the house we had before, it didn't have this.
We have nice little covered patio area.
This because we can open.
Oh, a screen.
And have like air come in the house and hear the birds.
Nice little flat yard. Now we're gonna show you guys the basement, which we just.
I'm really worried because what if the boys.
I know, we just kind of realized like we're afraid the boys are gonna try and climb across that, but. Yeah, we'll have to try to make sure they don't. There's some windows right there, which I really like, because you can kind of see them like through here, and it just lets in some light. I don't know, I guess maybe they didn't have any curtains or anything up there. Maybe they just had it open, I don't know.
Mom, you're too fast.
So this is basement. They also left these two coffee tables. So I'm gonna kind of come over here. We got like,
This is like a big mason to play like freeze tag and stuff. It's
Yeah.
like so like.
do you like the house? Yeah, she's so excited. She's actually loving the house. So we got this big area to play in, run around. It's empty right now. Got windows right there.
But if you actually put your bucket.
You want to show them under the stairs? Got under the stair little situation she's excited about. So this is all storage.
This is actually a bigger storage than last time.
And this is
Like,
big. Huge storage over here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We got some little just wood built in. Yeah, shelves.
Yeah.
This is going to be Ellery's bathroom. Again, they left the shelf and they left the curtain.
I like that.
You like the curtain that's up?
I'm gonna keep it.
You got a little. She's excited about having a bar to hang her towel on. And then this is going to be Ellery's room. This is actually a really good sized room as well. I'm going to figure out something to put on that window.
There's a spider.
We'll get it cleaned. And then she's got a really big, nice, deep closet too, or long closet. I hope you guys will stick around, subscribe, come back for tons of cleaning videos, moving, setting up the new house, organizing, all that stuff. And I will see you guys in
next video.
my next one. Bye guys.
Bye.
Acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason.